Hello dear students, myself Vimal Monasra. Welcome in our LJP Electrical YouTube channel. In this session, I would like to discuss important test of insulating oil material in the subjects of electrical installation, commissioning and maintenance. Let's discuss content of our session. First is list of standard tests performed on insulating oil, and the second one is important dielectric strength test of oil. Now we will discuss the list of main standard tests of insulating oil. First is dielectric strength test, second is crackle test, third is acidity test, fourth is sludge test, and fifth is flash point test. In all of these tests, we will discuss only dielectric test of insulating oil in this session. Oil stored in drums doesn't retain its original dielectric strength, and it should be tested and treated before use in electrical equipment. Now, we will see some simple test cell can be adopted before using the insulating oil. The oil test in which spark occurs and the testing set trips is known as transformer oil dielectric strength test. Test is performed in the oil testing set, suitable oil testing set, stationary as well as portable are available for testing the oil under the specified conditions. A sample of oil is drawn from the transformer and tested in the oil testing set. A lower than 30 kV dielectric strength for a 4 mm gap of electrodes. It would indicate the presence of moisture in the oil. The recommended size of the glass test cell is 55 by 90 by 100 mm. The diameter of spheres or test electrode has been specified as 12.7 mm and air gap between the spheres as 4 mm. The quantity of test sample should be drawn from the bottom of a drum, transformer and other apparatus. The oil in the test cell should be at least 40 mm above the electrodes, and it should be allowed to stand for 20 minutes before performing the test to let air bubble escape. The gap of the electrode is first checked with a gauge. The cup is then filled with sample oil to be tested. The cup top is covered with clean glass plate. Here you can see its diagram. Two transformers are used. One is auto transformer and the other is high voltage transformer. Take two stainless steel polished electrode sphere, which its diameter is 12.5 mm, are kept in the test cell. Maintain 2.5 mm gap between both electrode sphere. The sphere are connected to the high voltage winding of high voltage transformer as shown figure here. And by using auto transformer, variable voltage is supplied to the primary of HV transformer. Given voltage is to the primary of auto transformer. Generally it is about 230 volt AC and 50 Hz frequency. Here circuit breaker is connected between the supply voltage and auto transformer for the safety causes. Now we will see main points of testing procedure. First, fill the sample oil which is need to tested in the vessel of the test cell. Two test electrode with a few distance of 2.5 mm are surrounded by the dielectric oil. Then the test voltage is applied to the electrode sphere and the continuous increase the voltage up to the breakdown voltage. After that, applied voltage is reached to maximum level of breakdown voltage, and finally breakdown is occur. Breakdown is occur in form of electric arc between the two electrodes. Then after this, when arc is ignition by the testing device, test voltage is switched off automatically. Testing devices will measure the breakdown voltage and report it. The value of breakdown voltage is reported in form of RMS value. Finally, transformer oil test is completed. Dielectric strength of the oil is measured under the test. Oil should has the permissible limit of dielectric strength, which are following as equipment rated voltage is less than 70 kV and breakdown voltage is above 30 kV. For the 70 to 170 kV is above 40 kV and for above 170 kV is above 50 kV respectively. Here we can see some important points to remember about this test. The sample container should be kept tightly covered throughout the period before the test. And proper record of breakdown strength of oil will be good guide to the state of oil, as oil with moisture and impurities has low breakdown voltage. So dear students, we are ending this session here and I will be here again with new topics and new informations. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.